In this video, you learn how to turn off two-step verification on Google. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. To turn off two-step verification, first navigate to google.com. You can do this on your PC, tablet, or phone. Once you're on google.com, go to the top right and click on your profile picture. Then scroll down and click on More Settings in the bottom left. Next, scroll down again and click on Google Account Settings, also in the bottom left. Now scroll the top menu to the right until you see the Security tab. Click on it. In the Security section, scroll down until you see two-step verification. Click on it. Here, you'll see a button that says Turn off two-step verification. Go ahead and click it. You'll see a warning message. Just confirm by clicking Turn off again. And that's it. Two-step verification has now been turned off. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.